Hello, kindergarten. It's Miss Brennan. Happy Wednesday, and it is time for us to read another story. So the story that we're going to read today is called It's Raining, It's Pouring. It's raining, it's pouring. And I bet you know this song. If you don't know the song, I would look it up. So it goes like this. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Goes like that. So look up the song when you get a chance. Now, as we read this story, we're going to be noticing lots of things like rhyming words. And just like in our stories earlier, like the Eensy Weensy Spider and I'm a Little Teapot, we heard lots of rhyming words. Like we know that we and me and see all rhyme because they sound the same at the end. And just like we heard rhyming words in those stories, we're going to hear lots of rhyming words in this story. All right, so be on the outlook for all of those wonderful rhyming words that you will hear. And also in this story, we're going to see all the different types of seasons. Now we know there are 4 seasons. We know that there's winter, spring, summer, and autumn, which is also called fall. So we're going to see all these seasons in our story today, and I want you to be on the outlook for when you see these seasons show up. What does it look like in the pictures? Remember, good readers pay attention to what's going on in the pictures, okay? So as we go on to that, we're gonna make sure to listen for those rhyming words, look at the pictures, and I'm gonna ask you some questions all about the story today. So make sure to get those listening ears ready to go. Here we go. It's raining, it's pouring. And thinking about this story, do you think this story is going to be funny or do you think this story is going to be serious? What do you think? I'll let you answer that. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Oh no, when I look at this picture, it looks like all the rain came into the house and it's filling up all these buckets and bottles and jars, and it's making a huge mess in their bed and on their floors. Oh no, I don't want that to happen to my house. He bumped his head when he went to bed and couldn't get up in the morning. Oh no, so what is the man's problem? I'll read this page again. He bumped his head when he went to bed and couldn't get up in the morning. So it seems like the story has told us that his problem is that he bumped his head, and because he bumped his head, he couldn't wake up, and now he's floating down a river. That's crazy. Let's keep reading. It's cloudy, it's breezy, the old man is sneezy. Ha-choo! What's making this old man sneeze? And what rhyming words do you hear? What's making the old man sneeze, and what rhyming words do you hear? So I know I hear breezy and sneezy. Keep on the outlook for those rhyming words. He blew so hard that he moved the stars, but of course, that wasn't easy. Oh no. It's a loud, big sneeze. It's snowing, it's blowing, the old man is growing. I think I hear some rhyming words. What rhyming words do you hear in the story? And also, look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. What season is this? So I'll bring our picture back. Is it winter, spring, summer, or autumn? And how do you know? Which season are we in our story? He ate so much one day for lunch, every part of him was showing. So, the story told us that the old man was growing. How is the old man growing? He's not a little boy turning into an adult. So how in the world is the old man growing? Can you figure it out? I bet you can. It's warm out and sunny. The old man loves honey. Oh, I heard some rhyming words. What rhyming words did you hear? It's warm out and sunny. The old man loves honey. And let's look at our seasons again. Which season are we in? Winter, spring, summer, or autumn? What do you think? What season? Look at the pages. What season are we in? He tried to seize a batch from the bees, and they didn't find it funny. Oh no, looks like those bees are really mad at him. So let's make a prediction. What do you think is going to happen next in the story? What do you think is going to happen next in the story? Let's turn the page to find out. It's cool, damp, and chilly. The old man's name is Willie. Oh, okay. So the story just told us the old man's name. His name is Willie. This whole time, we've been calling him the old man, but really, his name is Willie. And again, look at the pictures. What season are we in? Winter, spring, summer, or autumn? And autumn, of course, is sometimes called fall. What season are we in? Look at the pictures. It's cool, damp, and chilly. The old man's name is Willie. He tripped and fell in a big old well. Oh my gosh, did he look silly? There we go. Did you hear those rhyming words? What are they? It's gusty, it's windy. The old man's wife is Cindy. Ooh, it's very windy like it is here in Chicago. Very windy. With ants in their pants, they started to dance and ended up doing the Lindy. So the story just told us that Willie and Cindy have ants in their pants. So what are they doing about that? And why is it funny? What are they doing about that? And why is it funny? Whatever the season, cloudy, sunny breezing, if he gets to bed without bumping his head, then the old man thinks it's pleasing. Alrighty, so that comes to the end of our story. So let's look back at our story. What are some of the seasons that you saw in the story? What are some of the seasons that you saw in the story? And also, what are some rhyming words that you heard? What are some of the rhyming words that you heard in the story? Alrighty, well that comes to the end of It's Raining and It's Pouring. And if you have not gotten a chance to, please listen to the song, It's Raining, It's Pouring. It's a lot of fun. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of your Wednesday. Bye for now.